What is going on, guys? Extreme Daily Drivers, we're back. We're back at the junkyard. It's the Saturday before Christmas. It's going to be 84 today. This weather is amazing. And it's the morning. I already had a McDonald's breakfast, which was fantastic. Got gas in the old Commander, because, you know, you got to get gas in the old Commander. But we're here at the junkyard. I got a Miata update for you. And we're here to see a couple Miatas. And we're here to see a couple Jeep Commanders. So let's see what we can find. Should be pretty awesome. It's been a while. All right, Miata number 1. This has been here 2 days. What do we got? Well, we have some front end damage. And we got everything for the engine, man. It's all here. Well, that's no good. But the engine's in decent shape. Someone took the oil dipstick. Ooh, what do we got inside? Grill covers. Center console. I think this is a 90. And a dash. Dash is a little jacked up. I kind of wanted seats. It's like why I'm here for the Miata, seats. Lots of good kind of paneling and stuff back there. Let's see what the seat looks like. Oh, here's the driver's seat. It's not much better than ours. That's a little better though, huh? What do you guys think? Should I grab this? It's already been removed. It's got speakers in the headrest. Did the zipper get ripped off of this? It did. That's annoying. I don't think it's worth taking. And that's really what I need. And this guy here, I don't really need this guy. Alright, carpet's in good shape, huh? Jeez. Yeah, not a bad score here. No key, so I can't get into the trunk. So that kind of stinks. Alright, so Miata number 1 had some... It's all really there. There's nothing I really need. Didn't have a good driver's seat, so here's Miata number 2. Old blue boy. I see a driver's seat. Dope! Someone took the bottom, but dude, look at the top. Oh, ripped here though. Dang it. These things are so hard to come by, man. Can't get one of these. Dude, look at the bolstering on this. It's just got this rip. Which, I can't fix that. Man, you can't win with these. It really sucks. Inside, man, dash looks great. Got one crack there, but otherwise, man, boy, the dash looks amazing. Very nice. This is an interesting upgrade. It's not stuck. Anything back here that we want? Oh, look at! I just bought one of these. How freaking annoying! I'm taking this. I'm taking this. Stupid thing. I'll sell it if I don't need it for anything. Yeah, it's not a ton here for me that I'm dying to get. Alright, so I said I wasn't going to take anything off of this, but I got sway bar bolts up front because I've misplaced mine. And we're going to take this door handle. So, let me give you a Miata update. So the Miata was towed over to Junior's to get it started. Alright, install Mega Squirt, turn it over, finish up some electrical wiring, all that kind of good stuff. And that was about 2 weeks ago. So we towed it over there, and the first thing that we did before we finished the electrical, installed the ECU and everything like that, is we wanted to make sure the engine was good. So we put some oil in it, hooked the battery up, and cranked it over. And it had no compression. We did a compression test. Cylinder 1 had 1. And then we did a leak down test, and we had 80% leakage, and you could hear it coming out of the exhaust pipe. So Junior, my buddy, determined that the head was bad. So as you guys know, I got the engine for free, and so now it's time we actually have to put some money into the engine. Lo and behold, the next day, Junior was able to source a machined head from a friend with updated valves, stainless steel valves, stiffer springs, and the cams from like a 99 to 01 or something like that. All finished, all ready to go in the car. So all we needed was a head gasket, and we can make the swap. Well, he ordered a head gasket from Mazda, and they wound up misplacing it. So the car wound up sitting for over a week until the head gasket was located. And this week I've been over there. I haven't filmed anything because I never know how much we're gonna get done, because he has to stay late to help me, and depending on how his day goes, I never like to ask him to stay late because he's just exhausted and the whole bit. But we've been over there, and new head's installed, and it turns over now, and we have compression. So that part is good. Basically, we're kind of right back where we were when I brought it over there. We have some wiring to do. Still have to hook up a air fuel gauge, and we still have to install the ECU, and just a couple little things here and there, and then we'll return the key. So that's the update on the Miata. Like I said, it's been over there for now almost 3 weeks. He's on vacation this week coming up, so we're not going to get to it till probably after the new year. But we're making progress, man, and a video's coming soon. All right, check it out. That was really painless to remove. For some reason, the door on my driver's side is jammed all the time whenever I lock it. So let's hope that's the solution. Moving on to the Commander. What do we got here? We got the 3.7. So not much under there that can help me. Not that I really need anything, but you know. Alright, let's see our interior here. This is one of the pieces I wanted, but they notoriously break, as this one did, I'm sure. I can't tell if it's broken. I don't know. It's hanging there, so I'm guessing it's broken. Hey, there's the key. Or a key. Someone's house key, probably. Interior's not really that bad. Hey, the door handle's still good. Okay. Alright, so I know you're saying to yourself, dude, what's wrong with your Commander? Why are you here? Is there something? Is it broken? And no, it's not broken. It's not broken at all. There's a grommet up here that I want, because I'm going to be doing some future wiring coming off that roof rack, and I want to reuse this grommet. So I'm going to get up there and pull that apart, show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so as it turns out, that guy is this guy, and this actually is your windshield wiper fluid for the rear wiper. I thought wires were going through here, but clearly it isn't. But it doesn't matter, because this grommet here is what I want, because I'm going to drill another hole up here and insert this guy, and then run wires through here as needed for the lighting for the rack. So got this guy, even took a photo of the hole left behind, so I know how large to make my new hole, and was even smart enough to bring a tape measure, get a good photo of it. So the last thing I kind of wanted out of one of these Commanders was possibly a driver's side mirror, because I know mine is not OEM. The previous owner told me it wasn't, and mine rattles a little bit when you're driving down the road at what speed. And this one, can you hear that? It's even worse than mine. So we're not gonna grab this guy. All right, literally the next row over, we got our 4.7. That's what we rock, and this is the limited, which is what we have. I saw this online, and it looked like it has so much mold in it. And yeah, it does. It's got so much mold in it, but you know what? That guy's good. That guy's good. Let's take it. It's actually driver's side seat is not that bad. It's just moldy, but mine's in better shape than this. All right, so let's figure out how to take this off. I don't know how to take it off. I heard it's not hard at all. I don't like the looks of that little guy there. Maybe a 10mm fit over it. It's a weird looking bolt. But yeah, let's see what we can do with this. Alright, super frustrating situation here. This mess. This thing was in good shape. It was intact. Unfortunately, I can't get out of the car without completely breaking it because we have power seats. Can't move the seat up. I even brought a little battery with me to move stuff, but it's not going to work with this. And this door will not open. Yeah, it's part of the problem with junkyards is that stuff just goes on here that's super annoying. Anyway, this door won't open. So, unbeknownst to me, there is a Phillips head screw in the back of this piece that holds it in place. And yeah, I can't get to that screw, and this thing's staying here. So anyway, that's a bummer, but I did learn how this mounts. Okay, so it wasn't a complete fail. We learned how it mounts, and I might even be able to fix the one I have. So, welcome to freaking Jeep Commander life. Another thing was super annoying is that one of these screws was Phillips head, and the other one was the star-shaped bolt, which I did bring those, but I mean, dude, just make them consistent, Jeep. It's stupid. So check this out. Someone has already taken off the driver's side mirror. I'm pretty sure this is factory. It's got a date on it of 06. This is an 06. What's weird is that this harness has harness tape on it that I doubt OEM. And this rattles too. This says auto dim here, which is what I have on mine, and this is the limited. I wonder if there's a way to tighten this up. I'm going to pull it apart and see if there's maybe a way to fix the one that I have in my car already. So I don't see any bolts on this. This cover just like seems like it just snaps into place, which is silly. Because why are they all rattling? So this is it. Just it's clipping around something up front. And yeah, it just clips on. I guess I just need to smack mine or something like that and it'll be fixed, but that's annoying. There should be a better design. Put some screws in the thing so it doesn't rattle. So I was really excited to get that piece, so I'm really bummed out that I couldn't get it, but overall it was a good showing. Let's go ahead and pay for this stuff. I'll see how much it comes to, and we'll take it back to the house and wrap this up. Alright, we made it back home. Here's door handle. Here's a battery tie down. And we got it all for $12. It's not a bad score, man. Junkyard always comes through whenever you need parts. But I'm going to end this one here, guys. I want to say Merry Christmas to all you guys who support the channel, who watch every video. Really can't thank you enough from Kelly and myself. Happy holidays to you guys, and Happy New Year. And we'll see you in 2023. Take care.